Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of clearing the cache in the IMO app. If you've noticed your IMO app running slowly or taking up too much storage space, clearing the cache can help improve its performance. Let's get started. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Then select the Settings option from the menu. After that, go to Storage and Data. After that, tap on Manage Storage. Finally, click on Clear Cache to remove temporary files and free up space. By following these steps, you can easily clear the cache in the IMO app, enhancing its performance and optimizing your device's storage. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.